We're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Got an old Dover elevator here. Excuse me. Dover, just like the last one I filmed. Oh, there's an indicator there. Go down to the other floor one. Okay. Oh, look. Door. Get a relight. That indicator doesn't work at all. Do any of these call buttons light up? I don't think so. Well, that one does. A little bit. This floor is a lot brighter. This is interesting floor tile pattern. All right, let's go down to lower one. Oh, sorry. Hit the phone. Nazi startup. KSR was here. It says the demon fruit flies. Spawn of hell. Tell you what, we'll listen to the motor. Fan doesn't even work.